Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DaVinci Resolve for multicam angle switching, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your footage by navigating to the media pool. Click on File, then select Import Media to bring in your video clips. Select all the clips you want to use for your multicam setup. Right-click on the selected clips and choose Create Multicam Clip. In the dialog box, give your multicam clip a name. Choose the appropriate synchronization method for your clips, such as sound or timecode. Click Create to generate the multicam clip. The new multicam clip will appear in the media pool. Drag the multicam clip to your timeline. Click on the clip in the timeline to highlight it. Open the inspector panel to adjust settings if needed. To switch angles, make sure the multicam option is activated in the viewer. Play back the timeline to review your footage. When you reach a point where you want to switch angles, press the corresponding number key for the angle you want. Continue playing back and switching angles as needed throughout your timeline. Once you've completed the angle switches, you can refine the edit further. Adjust transitions or cuts to ensure a smooth flow between angles. Review the final edit for any adjustments needed. Render your project when satisfied with the multicam edits. Your multicam setup is now complete and ready for export. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.